Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. For your morning work, you should be on Unit 4, Week 4, Day 1. Double check, make sure you're on the right page. Okay, I'm going to go through and explain the directions. Our first direction says, edit and write each sentence correctly. Circle the adjectives. Remember that adjectives describe people, places, animals, and things. Okay, number 1 says, my friends had the worst day ever. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video. Number 2, they will have a best day tomorrow than today. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video and do number 2. Scroll down. Looks like we've got some addition problems for our daily math review. You know what to do there. Number 6, we have a story problem. There are 88 seeds planted in the garden. 25 are radish seeds. The rest are carrot seeds. How many carrot seeds are in the garden? So we know that there's 88 altogether, right? And so we know that there's 25 radish seeds, but we don't know how many carrot seeds, this blank here. So to figure out that blank, we can use subtraction. We can do 88 minus 25, and that'll tell us the difference, which will be the number of carrot seeds. So you're going to want to rewrite that problem off to the side, something like this. 88 minus 25 equals, and figure that out. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, circle the arrow that is the longest. Now, looks may be deceiving. You might want to use a ruler for this one to double check your answer. Okay? Pause your video, do number 7. Number 8, we've done problems like this before. There are 4 add-ins, and each add-in has double digits. So you're going to want to take your time with this one. You know, first you're going to want to add 47 and 24 off to the side. Put my equal bar, and you'll want to put the answer right here. Then you'll want to add 46 plus 62, and then put that answer here. And then once you have these two answers, you're going to want to add these two answers up to get the final answer for that one. Pause your video, do number 8. And our last one, number 9, it says use arrows. Show how to subtract 260 minus 40 on the number line. So our number line looks like it's counting by tens. And so remember, 40 is 4 tens, and we're going to be going backwards because we're subtracting. Go ahead and pause your video, do number 9. All right, let's work our way back up to the top and work through these. My friends had the worst day ever. First thing I notice is there's a question mark at the end. This is a sentence that's telling me something, so I'm going to want a period. Let's see, my friends. Friends is a high frequency word that's spelled incorrectly. Friends is F-R-I-E-N-D-S. My friends had the worst day ever. It's actually not worse, it's worst. W-O-R-S-T, like that, worst. All right, now let's rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, we rewrote it nice and neat on the line. Now we got to find the adjective. So we're looking for a word that's describing a noun. And so that would be worst. Worst describes the day. All right, on to number 2. They will have a best day tomorrow than today. Right? So let's see. First thing I'm noticing is we need a capital. They will have a best day. We wouldn't say best day, right? If we're comparing 2 days, right, we would say better day. So B-E-T-T-E-R. They will have a better day tomorrow than today. All right, and then we're going to rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, that's looking good. Now we're going to find the adjective. So the word better describes this day on this sentence. So we're going to circle better. That's the adjective. All right, we'll scroll down to the daily math review. 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 8 is 14. 9 plus 6 is 15. And 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay, so I explained this one, how we're going to find the difference in the number of seeds to figure out how many carrot seeds there are. So I'm going to work my problem. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 tens minus 2 tens is 6 tens. So that means there's 63 carrot seeds. And we'll write 63 in that blank. Circle the arrow that is the longest. So I'm going to get my ruler out, as I asked you to do as well. So give me just a sec. Alright, there's my ruler. So I'm going to line it up on these arrows. So let's see. Line up the 0. And so, well, let's measure in inches actually. So this is about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches. This one is a little bit shorter. It's right at the 1.5 inch mark. And then this green guy is just about 2 inches. So that means the green arrow is the longest arrow. So we're going to go ahead and circle the green arrow. Scroll down. I told you how to work these out. So I'm going to go ahead and solve these real quick. So that's going to be 11. So 71. Whoops. That was a mistake. Alright, so 6 and 2 is 8. And 4 and 6 is 10, so 108. So I'm going to write that one here. I'm going to write that one here. And now I'm going to add these two together. So 108 and 71. Lined up my 10s and my 1s. There's no hundreds in 71. So it's going to be 9, 7 10s, 100. So 179 should be the answer that you got. Okay. And then number 9, use the arrow shot to subtract 260 minus 40. So I got to start at 260 and I got to go back 4 10s, 4 hops, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 220. All right, you're all done with your morning work. Good job.